Alright y'all, so welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be swaddling little Miss Sarai, so just stay tuned. So first things first, I am using the blanket that they give you at the hospital after you have your baby. So you want to take this blanket and you want to fold it like so. I call it the triangle fold. I'm not sure exactly what it's called. And you can use any blanket. It does not have to be the blanket that they give you at the hospital, but this is just what I'm using. So to show you all better from another angle, like I said, you're going to take it, fold it like a triangle, and lay it down flat. So you want to place your baby in the middle of the triangle fold at the top. Make sure that the top aligns with her neck. So first things first, make sure you pull her arm down before you start wrapping. If you don't, it'll just make it easy for her to break through the swaddle. So you just start from one side, you wrap, pull tight, and then tuck. Then you get the other side, put the arm down like I said, wrap, and then you also tuck this side as well. And when you're tucking, you want to tuck behind the baby's butt. So right here, I'm just pulling it down towards the end, making sure everything is tight. And you want to make sure everything is tight, because if it's not, like I said, it'll be easy for them to break loose. And also, the tighter that it is, it makes them feel more snug, as if, you know, they were still in the womb. And that is what gives them that comfort. So right here, I call this a little swish swish. That just helps to bring her knees in and position her as if she was in the womb. And then I'm just going to tuck this as well and make sure that it's snug and tight. So now I'm going to show you another way to swaddle. To me, this is easier. I learned this method this time around with my baby after delivering. So like I said, this is easier for me, and yeah. So you just fold it, I guess, like a quarter. Well, it's a little less than a quarter, but just fold it likewise. And just like with the triangle fold, you're going to lay your baby in the middle and make sure that it's lined with her neck. Then we're going to wrap and tuck. Same, make sure you pull her arm down. Wrap, pull it tight, wrap it under her butt. Get the other side. See how I'm holding her hand down? Wrap that side as well. Tuck it under her butt. It's like the butt back area. You'll know because you can tell by the way that the swaddle fits. It fits snug one area. So there's the squish squish. Like I say, I'm bringing her knees in so she's positioned, you know, as if she was still in my stomach with her knees up. And we're just wrapping and tucking and making sure that the swaddle is tight. So that's the basis. What I'm about to do now is basically a double swaddle. It's exactly what it says. It's a double swaddle. So I'm leaving her in a swaddle that she was previously in, and I'm just going to put her into another swaddle. This is one of those muslin wraps. So I'm just going to, like I said, leave her swaddle as I had it before, and I'm just going to wrap her again inside this muslin wrap. And this is just going to give her a tighter snug and make her a little more comfortable. So I like the double swaddle, like if we're in the house and I have the air on, it's usually cooler than what it usually is. I like to double swaddle her. Of course, that keeps her warm. I find this method also good for like first time people who don't know how to swaddle, or they don't know, you know, how to keep the swaddle tight. Once you double swaddle, that'll give you, like I say, it's like an extra security, so that you don't really have to worry about the baby breaking out the first swaddle, because you already have a second swaddle on. So if she does break out the first swaddle, you still have a second one. Now, if your baby breaks out the second swaddle, then you just need some practice swaddling. And since these muslin wraps are so long, I just like to tie a little knot at the end. That way I won't have to worry about bringing it up and wrapping it, because you'll be wrapping it multiple times, because like I said, the material is just so long. So I just like to put a little knot in it. So this time around, I'm still going to double wrap her. But I'm just going to double wrap her using the second method with the muslin wrap that I showed y'all. So instead of the triangle fold, I'm just going to use the, I guess you call it the fourth fold. I don't know, but y'all will see. So she started breaking out of the swaddle as I was swaddling and re-swaddling her. So right now I'm just going back through, making sure that she's tight once again. So I'm just pulling and tucking and making sure, like I said, that she's snug. Swish, 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 swish. So like I said before, you want to lay her at the top of the swaddle in the middle. Start with one side. Since her arms are already tucked, we don't have to worry about tucking the arm. You just want to pull and tuck. Make sure everything is straightened out. Grab the other side, pull and tuck once again. So this time, instead of putting the knot at the end, I'm just going to pull the ends up and tuck. And I'm making sure that I do not cover her face. Because with these long muslin swaddles, it's easy to cover the baby face. So yeah, just tuck. Make sure she's snug, make sure she's secure, and we are good. So that concludes this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. And we will see y'all in the next one.